Good fats versus bad fats. What seniors need to know to protect the heart and brain. Imagine this. You're having breakfast, a slice of crispy toast, a bit of butter, and a golden fried egg. Everything seems normal, right? But what you don't realize is this. One type of fat in that breakfast may be quietly narrowing the arteries to your heart, and another type may be protecting your brain from Alzheimer's. Sounds crazy? It's not. It's backed by science. At age 60, 70, or beyond, we've all heard things like, "Don't eat fat, it clogs your heart," or, "If you want to live long, avoid all greasy foods." But here's the truth. They're only half right. Because some fats truly do weaken your heart over time. But others, they help your brain stay sharp, your steps stay steady, and your memory stay strong. Today's video is your complete guide to fats, good and bad. Which unhealthy fats are silently harming older adults? Which healthy fats should you eat every week to protect your heart and brain? And most importantly, which fats are you eating every day, without realizing they may be the wrong kind? Don't miss this, because the difference could mean an extra 10 healthy years, or a faster road to heart disease and dementia. Bad fats, the silent enemies of your heart and memory. You might be surprised, but many of the foods older adults eat every day, from cookies, margarine, and fried potatoes to processed meats like sausages and canned meat, all have one thing in common: bad fats. So, what exactly are bad fats? Nutrition experts break them down into two main types. Saturated fats, found in animal fat, cheese, heavy cream, and butter. Trans fats, common in packaged snacks, cookies, fried foods, and anything that's been deep fried multiple times. What do these two have in common? They raise your bad cholesterol, LDL, clog your arteries, increase blood pressure, and are leading causes of heart disease, stroke, and memory loss due to reduced blood flow to the brain in older adults. According to a major study from Harvard, people who consumed the most trans fats had over 50% higher risk of dementia. And the most dangerous part? These fats don't cause pain. They don't give off warning signs. You don't notice anything until your heart is damaged or your memory begins to slip. Good fats, the lubricant for a healthy heart and sharp brain. Did you know that the human body needs fat to survive? But not all fats are created equal. Science refers to good fats as monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids. Why are good fats important? They boost memory. Omega-3s make up about 60% of the fat in your brain. They help nerve cells function properly, support memory, and even slow brain aging. They reduce inflammation. Good fats help calm inflammation, the root cause of many chronic illnesses like arthritis, Alzheimer's, and type 2 diabetes. They lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. This improves blood flow, helps clean out your arteries, and reduces the risk of strokes and heart attacks. They stabilize mood. Many older adults experience irritability, sadness, or mild depression. Good fats support hormonal balance and help soothe the nervous system. So, where can you find these good fats? Avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats that lower LDL and raise HDL. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, excellent sources of omega-3s. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds support brain health and fight oxidative stress. Olive oil, canola oil, cold-pressed coconut oil, healthier alternatives to traditional cooking oils. Important note, more isn't always better. Even good fats should be eaten in the right amounts and prepared the right way. Opt for steaming, boiling, or light pan searing. Avoid deep frying, which can alter fat structure and reduce health benefits. If this helped you understand your heart and brain better, don't forget to hit subscribe and join us for more clear, science-backed health guidance, specially designed for older adults like you. 7 foods high in bad fats, silently harming your heart and brain. Many people still believe it's okay to eat anything as long as it's in small amounts. But when it comes to bad fats, even small amounts can damage your blood vessels and seriously impact memory over time. Here are 7 familiar culprits that older adults need to recognize and minimize, or avoid altogether. 1. Margarine and industrial vegetable spreads. Commonly used for cooking or spreading on toast. But did you know? These products often contain trans fats, the worst kind, which lead to clogged arteries and memory decline. 2. French fries and deep-fried foods. Foods like fried chicken, donuts, and chips soak up oil that's often reused multiple times, forming oxidized compounds that inflame the nervous system. 3. Packaged cookies and pastries. They look harmless, but most are full of hidden trans fats and refined sugars, increasing the risk of obesity, diabetes, and cognitive decline. 4. Bacon, sausages, and processed meats. Not only high in saturated fat, but also packed with nitrates, sodium, and preservatives, raising blood pressure and damaging brain cells. 5. Ice cream, full-fat dairy, and processed cheese. Many seniors eat these for calcium, but industrial versions are often loaded with high levels of saturated fat, harmful to heart health. 6. Frozen pizzas and fast food. Frozen pizza, burgers, and instant noodles are a dangerous mix of bad fats, salt, and refined carbs, raising blood lipids and stroke risk. 7. Microwave butter popcorn. A popular snack, but it often contains trans fats and artificial flavor chemicals that trigger inflammation in brain cells and nerves. Bad fats don't just hurt your heart, they age your brain every single day. But once you learn how to recognize, choose, and replace them, you can protect your heart and keep your memory sharp for years to come. How to add healthy fats to daily meals. Simple yet powerful for senior heart and brain health. Now that you know which fats are good and which are harmful, the next question is, how can you easily apply this to your daily meals without overthinking it? Here are 3 golden principles to help you protect your heart, sharpen your memory, and still enjoy the foods you love. 1. Always pair healthy fats with antioxidant-rich vegetables. A simple salad with extra virgin olive oil, walnuts, cherry tomatoes, and spinach gives you both healthy fats and anti-inflammatory protection. Great for stroke prevention. You don't have to give up your favorite meals. Just replace cooking oil with olive oil, sprinkle in some almonds, and you've got a heart-smart version of your go-to dish. 2. Eat fish at least twice a week, especially fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3, a brain-loving fat that's easy for your body to absorb. Grill it with lemon and herbs for a flavorful, easy-to-make dish that's excellent for your heart. 3. Choose nut butters instead of margarine or heavy sauces. Try natural almond or peanut butter with no added sugar or palm oil. Spread it on whole grain toast or mix it with banana and oats for a delicious brain-boosting breakfast. Here's something important. Just a few small changes in how you cook, from the type of oil you use to the seeds or nuts you add, can significantly lower your risk of heart attack and memory decline. If you found this information helpful and want more easy-to-understand, science-based tips designed for older adults, subscribe to the channel and keep learning how to live stronger, longer, and with more confidence. Thank you for watching. Fats and memory. The hidden connection you need to know. When we talk about brain health, most people think of vitamin B12, DHA supplements, or brain exercises. But what if I told you that the kind of fat you eat and how much plays a foundational role in keeping your memory sharp and even preventing dementia and Alzheimer's disease? Did you know your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat? Yes, you heard that right. The majority of your brain's structure, especially the cerebral cortex and central nervous system, is made of fatty acids. Among them, omega-3, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, is the building block of brain cells. DHA helps transmit signals between neurons, maintain flexibility of brain cell membranes, protect the brain from inflammation and oxidative stress. A long-term deficiency of DHA can slow down memory formation and may even shrink your hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for long-term memory. Older adults lacking good fats are more likely to face memory loss. Studies show seniors with diets rich in omega-3 fats are up to 40% less likely to develop mild cognitive impairment, MCI. Diets low in fat but high in refined carbs, like white bread, sugar, instant cereals, are linked to early brain tissue shrinkage. Beyond omega-3, monounsaturated fats from olive oil, avocados, and almonds have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and support focus and cognitive function. But beware, not all fats are good for your memory. Trans fats, found in fried foods, processed snacks, margarine, and packaged baked goods, don't just harm your heart. They also slow down your thinking speed, contribute to brain fog, increase Alzheimer's risk by up to 39%, according to large U.S. studies. Doctor-recommended brain fat strategy. 1. Add more brain-friendly fats. Extra virgin olive oil. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, at least twice a week. Walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, avocados, and almonds. 2. Cut out brain-harming fats entirely. Trans fats from fast food, baked goods, deep-fried animal fats. 3. Follow the MIND diet, Mediterranean intervention for neurodegenerative delay. A research-backed eating plan that protects memory and can slow brain aging by up to 53%. Your memory doesn't have to fade with age. Forget the myth that forgetfulness is just a part of getting older. With smart fat choices, you can stay clear-headed, mentally sharp, and fully present to cherish conversations, memories, and moments with your loved ones. And if this information helped you or someone you care about, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-based tips made simple. for wiser, stronger living after 60. Growing older doesn't mean slowing down, getting foggy, or facing heart disease. Aging isn't the enemy. The real danger comes when we no longer understand what our bodies truly need, and we start making the wrong choices about things that could have helped us live longer, healthier, and happier. Throughout your life, you've probably heard hundreds of messages telling you to avoid fat, skip butter, cut out oils. But now you know, fat isn't the enemy. With the right kinds of fat, you can nourish a strong, healthy heart. Keep your brain sharp and focused. Stay flexible, active, and independent, even into your 70s, 80s, or beyond. Start small and start today. A tablespoon of olive oil instead of animal fat. A weekly serving of salmon instead of fried foods.
占星
A slice of real butter on whole grain toast instead of processed margarine. These little changes won't just help you feel better today. They're a gift you're giving yourself for the next 5, 10, even 15 years. If this video helped you see fat in a new light, leave us a comment, share it with someone you care about, and tap subscribe to join this journey. This isn't just a health channel. It's a community where we grow wiser, stay strong, and embrace the best years of our lives together.